Okay, so now we have a G-Max Lapras pack. Okay. Feel something in this pack. We will get something good. A Grass Energy, a Raboot, a Lumberry, an Aura Energy, a Krabby, a Grookey, a Mudbray, a Hoot, a Pincurchin, Team Yell Grunt, and a Rhyperior. Now, are we ever going to get like a GX or V or anything like that? Really do not know. Okay, so now we have a Water Energy, Galarian Stunfisk, a Raboot. We got Hop, the guy who loves type matchups and thinks that he's the best at type matchups. We got a Clobbopus. We got a Wooloo. We got a Sobble. We got a Pincurchin. We got a Blipbug. We got a Goldeen. We got a Lantern. Okay, so now on to the next pack. Thing's so hard to open. Like, I don't know why. Okay. We have Roserade. We got Energy. Electric Energy. We got Potion. We got Rhydon. We got Eldegoss. We got Scorbunny. We got Cinity, which evolves into my second favorite Pokemon. We got Maractus. We got Pikachu. We got Galarian Meowth. We got Mudbray. Okay. Oh, we got nothing good. Okay. It's a little windy outside. Oh, I see something. Let's go. We got a Fighting Energy. We got a Crushing Hammer. We got a Switch. We got a Ferrothorn. No, that's kind of like the Nintendo Switch, that one. And we got a Clobbopus. We got a Cottonee. We got a Choodle. We got a Rhyhorn. We got a Rookidee. We got a Ferroseed. Ooh, and we got a Morpeko V. Ooh, that looks nice. Ooh, Electro Wheel does 150 and Spark does 20. It's 170 HP. I love Morpeko, so it's very cool. I'm very happy about that. Okay, so now we got another pack. I just opened it and then they all came flying out. Four. Got Fire Energy. Energy, not Energy. I have an accent now. We got Dottler. We got Corvisquire. We got Great Ball. We got Rhyhorn. We got Minccino. We got Chinchou. We got Krogunk. Got another Galarian Meowth. We got Crushing Hammer. And got Musharna. Okay. Now we... Oh, I can see that we got another good card. Yeah. Got Dark Energy. We got Sudowoodo. We got Hop. We got Hop. I said we got Hop. We got Dottler. We got Krogunk. Got Silicobra. we got Minchino, we got Vulpix, we got Muna, we got Kogunk, Krogunk, and we got, oh, look at this Zamazenta V. I prefer Zashi more, but I really like this one. Yeah, and it's one of the scratchy ones. Wow, this is so cool. Oh, this is nice. Assault Tackle does 130, and Dauntless Shield is actually now an ability. Wasn't it in the games? Wasn't it a move? They did like, and then there was Sacred. Doesn't really matter. At least we got an amazing Zamazenta V. That looks so cool, yeah, because we already got the giant Zacian V from one other thing that I got, but now we got the Zamazenta V. Okay, so now on to our next pack. And it's hard to open. I am so happy that we got that Zamazenta V and the Morpeko V. 4. Yep, 4. We got a Grass Energy. We got a Quillfish. We got an Energy Switch. We got a Dottler. We got a Silicobra. We got a Blipbug. We got a Goldeen. We got a Yamper. We got a Scorpy. How do I now have trouble saying that? I never had trouble. Utility Band, and we got a Centiskorch. I think what I noticed is that like all of the evolutions of Pokemon has this thing right there. It's hard to see, like that, the silver thing. So its name, that thing. Cool. Okay. Yeah, almost done with the box. Well, we have halfway. Yeah, we're halfway there. We can get some more good pulls. What did I do with the one pack? Oh, here we go. I almost lost the pack. Open it up. 2, 3, 4. We got an Electric Energy. We got a Haunter. We got a Vitality Band. We got a Laboot. We got a Scorbunny. We got a Pikachu. We got another Sinistea. We got a Wooloo. We got a Shelder. We got a Corvisquire. And we got a Snorlax. Okay, next pack. I know that Zamazenta V is one of my new favorite cards. 2, 3, 4. We got a Fighting Energy. We got a Thwackey. We got a Palpad. We got a Citrus Berry. We got a Diglett. We got a Ferroseed. We got a Goldeen. We got a Roselia. We got a Joltik. We got a Marnie. And oh, we got a Regirock V. I think that they have like all the Pokemon you can find in Galar as Vs now. Yeah. Even though you can only get this in the expansion pass. Or if you trade from a different game, I think. I don't know, but this is nice. Rocky Tackle does 190. Raging Hammer does 30 plus 10 more damage for each damage counter on this Pokemon. That's nice. You got 3 cool new cards so far. All new V. Not new cards, but like they are new cards, but there are a bunch of other new cards. Because this is on the new region. This is a new set. So we got a Psychic Energy. We got a Little Candy. We got a Lucky Egg. We got a Mantine. We got a Roselia. Now I'm having trouble with that. The name. We got Ghastly. We got Panwood. We got a Sizzlipede. We got a Yamper. We got a Snom. And we got a Toxicroak. Okay. Open up this next pack. Got Water Energy. Got Drizzle, so the Water Energy goes right with it. Got Galarian Stunfisk. Got the Pokemon Center Lady, the new haircut. Not haircut, but like, she looks different from the other Pokemon Center Ladies. We got Roselia. We got Choodle. We got Blipbug. We got Rhyhorn. We got Clobbopus. We got a Pokegear 3.0. And ooh, we got a bead. We got a bead. It's not a VGX EX Mega EX, but it's a bead. Just a bead. Some people call him Beady. I think some people mistakenly call him Beady. Beady. Man, this card is nice too. It says attach basic energy card from your hand to one of you benched Pokemon. Cool. Yeah, when I opened the Unifying Minds Pokemon booster box for my birthday, I never did it on camera because that was before I had a channel. But I would get which one. I got some cool cards too, and instead of like a scratchy kind of like Zamazenta V, we got a scratchy like the tag team, the two Raichus. Yeah, that was cool. That was my first ever booster box, and this is my second. Yeah. So now on to our next pack. We got a Dark Energy. We got a Haunter. We got Thwacky. We got Palpak. We got a Joltik. We got Silicobra. We got a Blipbug. We got a Goldeen. We got a Yamper. We got a Rookidee. And we got a Lantern. I said Lantern because it was Yamper. So I thought Yamper, I thought the P, so I called it Lantern. We got Fire Energy. We got a Slazzle, so the Fire Energy can go with that. We got a Bisharp. We got a Pokemon Catcher. We got a Glossifer. We got a Goldeen. We got a Diglett. We got a Scorpy. We got a Hoot. We got a Baltoy. And we got a Musharna. Yeah. Oh shoot, my cards are about to fall off my bed. Okay, I fixed them. Oh shoot, my cards! Can't wait until tomorrow. It's Friday. And this booster box was supposed to come from May 1st to May 6th. That actually came on April 30th. Oh no, it came a day early. We got a Psychic Energy, got an Evolution Incense, got a Vitality Band, we got a Haunter, we got a Mudbray, we got a Panward, we got a Scorbunny, we got a Nickit, we got a Chinchou, we got a Drizzle, and we got a Roserade. Yeah, after this is gonna be good, and I can put all of my new Pokemon into my Pokedex binder. Yeah, I have my little card binder, like my EX, GX Mega binder, which I'm going to my decks, which I only have one deck so far, but yeah, and I keep it in my Unified Minds booster box, but that thing's breaking, so I'm gonna put it in this one now. And then I have my Pokedex binder with all the Pokedexes. And so far in my Gallo Pokedex, I only have the 3 starters. That's all, but now I'm gonna have a lot more. Oh yeah, the only starter final evolution that we've got so far is Rillaboom. I want to get my favorite one, Cinderace. Yeah, Cinderace is one of my favorite Pokemon of all time. So cool. It's a soccer player, and I like soccer, but I like basketball more. Got Grass Energy, got Pokekid, got Energy Surge, got Team Yell Grunt, we got Krogunk, we got Silcobra. Is this silly? I'm just saying Silico. We got Minchino, we got Vulpix, we got Muna, we got Wooloo, we got Mudstale. Mudstale, yeah. No, I always thought there was Mudstale, like with Mudstale with a T. Now I know that's Mudstale with a D. Because all of a sudden it's stale bread. Not a tail bread. Oh man, this one's taking long. Okay, so we got a Steel Energy, we got a Pokemon Catcher, we got Drizzile, we got Evolution Incense, we got Ghastly, we got Rookidee, we got Sizzlipede, we got Snom, we got Mawile, we got Team Yell Grunt, we got Gengar. Yeah, I'm gonna start holding it up more to the camera so I can see it better. Oh man, we don't have that much more left. It's hard to see. There. And next pack. Okay, so we got an Electric Energy, we got Bisharp, got an Evolution Incense, we got Vitality Band, we got Chinchou, got Diglett, we got Ferroseed, we got Goldeen, we got Roselia, we got Great Ball, we got Thievel. It's a thief. And one of its moves is Thief. I thought that move did like 30 damage when you took out the head item. Now it does 20 damage and your opponent reveals their hand. Choose a card you find there and put it in the bottom of it. I'd always choose the best card, like everyone else. Except somebody who's dumb will just choose the worst card, or every card they like the best and then just put it at the bottom of the deck, or whatever card they like the worst, so they don't have to see it again. We got a Water Energy, we got a Rotom Bike, got a Drizzile, got a Bisharp, got a Shelter, we got a Mawile, we got a Galarian Ponyta, we got a Sable, a Maractus, got a Crabblebird, oh, and an Inteleon! No, yeah, I think the Sable's cute, but Inteleon's okay. Yeah, my Pokemon Sword playthrough, I am using Inteleon, but for Shield, because I've already used Cinderace. In Shield, I don't think I started that one yet, but I'm gonna use. So the starter that I'm gonna pick is Grookey, because I never used him yet. But then I'm gonna like hatch the other starters that I have, trade it with my friend William. Then he'll trade them back to me. So like Then I'll use all of the 3-star revolutions. We got fighting energy. We got Aurora energy, I meant. Ooh, this thing looks so cool. Like, look at the rainbow part and on the side of the card. Wow. We got Double. We got Quillfish. We got Scorbunny. We got Pikachu. We got Cinity. We got Wooloo. We got Shelder. We got Rhyhorn. And we got Professor's Research. Yes, Professor Magnolia. Okay, so now on to the next pack. Oh, we're almost running out. We need to get some more good cards. More good pulls. Now is the time to do that. Now is the time more than ever. Got Dark Energy. Got Citrus Berry. Got a Corvus Squire. Got Thwacky. Got Baltoy. We got Wooloo. We got Joltik. We got Slandit. We got Clavipus. We got Cramorant. Now we got Keldeo V! Yay! I already have a Keldeo GX, but now here's a V. No, it's basically like the same exact thing. Like a V, a GX. I don't know. I can trade the GX. Oh shoot, my card's almost gone. Well, the booster box with the packs. I can trade the GX and now still have the V. It's like the same exact thing. Man, these things keep on falling over. Oh, because it's running out of cards and we'll just keep it like that. I mean, packs is running out. Packs. Yeah, after this, I'm going to sort all of my new cards into my Pokedex. After I'm done opening up all the cards, I'll show you my Pokedex binder looks like. I got a Fire Energy. I got Galarian Linoone. Got a Rotom Bike. Got a Drizzile again. That's like my 5th Drizzile. How many Drizziles are there? Okay, at least just get a Cinderace. Come on. Got Maractus. We got a Mudbright. We got a Penword. We got Scorbunny. We got Nickit. We got Grookey. Now we got a Victini V. Okay, why do we keep on getting the mythicals? Anyways, we did get the Fire Energy and Victini is a fire type. But come on, why are there so many mythicals? So many mythical Pokemon V's. Man, that's... Oh, I actually think that I tied up my last booster box for the most, good cards. 6. Yeah, hopefully we can break that, and that is my goal right now. Yeah, the last one I opened was on my birthday. I might have already said that, but I forget. Yeah, I think that there's gonna be a part 1 and part 2. The reason why the part 1 is very, very short is because when I tried to pause the video, I accidentally ended up stopping the recording. Pause, I was itchy, and then I stopped the recording. Doesn't really matter. We can just do part 1 and part 2. We can try and edit, but that doesn't. Last time I tried that, didn't work. We got, it worked, but I couldn't upload it on YouTube. We got a Grass Energy. We got a Hitmonchan. We got a Great Ball. We got a Galarian Linoone. We got a Sizzlipede. We got a Galarian Zigzagoon. We got a Munna. Shoot. We got a Snom. We got a Grookey. We got a Scorpy. And now we got a Cramorant. Wait, that thing, Cramorant V. Kind of looks shiny, but I don't think it is. Wait, let me just check.